Katie here says there's more reason to be positive on the space. Let's go off the chart. So, Katie, what are you looking at?
Well, it's really perked up from a momentum perspective and also from a relative perspective. If you look at the rotational work on the sector front, normalized versus the S&P, you'll see some rotations that are starting to favor the more cyclical areas of the market, the more defensive areas of the market. It's all occurring at the expense of the mega cap heavy sectors.
Sorry, we don't usually see this kind of chart.
Whoa.
It looks almost like a weather
like
pattern.
I see constellations. I actually see
hurricanes.
I see Castor and Pollux.
It looks like the Gulf of America.
But in all seriousness,
I see the twins.
Let me explain a little bit here. So this is a normalized view of sector rotation. We all know sector rotation is there. This is a way to visualize it. Think of it like a data visualization tool. It's normalized. The crosshairs represent the S&P 500. Anything going down and to the left is underperforming with growing momentum typically, and vice versa. So you assume a clockwise rotation. Notice that energy has just reversed into favor. This is a 6-week trailing history that you're seeing behind the sectors. And then off to the lower left, those are the more oversold areas of the market. So this is where I think there's more opportunity for that rotation to benefit. And it does include energy, of course. And I think that it could become more sustainable, more than just a counter trend move, if we were to see crude oil, of course, break out from what has been a very prolonged range. It's right now in a triangle formation. Triangles tend to be very high probability. If we were to see it resolve to the upside, that would happen above about $76 per barrel for WTI. That would be a major breakout for crude oil and could lend sustainability to a sector that tends to sort of have a mind of its own. So if you believe that we could see more consolidation or a weaker tape this year like we do, we think energy could just be on its own path, right? We have seen that happen before. Now, with all of this, of course, the individual stocks are perking up as well. They've been mostly in cyclical downtrends. We looked at SLB in our work this week, and you'll see that it has a counter trend buy signal that kind of reversed the sell signal from a few months before and shows signs of life from a momentum perspective with some positive divergences. And these are really widespread in the space, helped by the BP and PSX moves as well.
First of all, I agree. Can we put that back up? Because Jason Gewirtz, now I'm breaking the ninth wall or something.
Right.
It looks like, remember that game Simon? We have to remember what colors came up, like
Simon
red,
Says.
yellow.
Yes.
That's what.
Oh, no.
I thought it looked
Simon
like
Says?
the spaghetti.
It's
Look at
Simon.
that.
It's a
Look
little
in the
thing. It's
like
like a
look in the
pattern
middle
with
of it.
lights.
You know what? A
Yeah, I
viewer
couldn't
named
play that.
Drew, a friend of mine, he just texted me the same thing, Game of Simon.
Really?
So I think a lot of the viewers
Interesting.
are thinking about it.
Okay,
Right?
Interesting.
I like it.
I like that.
No, but I like
visualization
it.
of the
and
rotation.
I like the fact that energy's getting its mojo. And Schlumberger quickly, if it gets above 44, it's broken a 2-year downtrend, Melissa Lee.
All right.